currently in Ohio, about 4.5 hours away from home, and I am picking up my next project. I know, I got way too many projects and haven't finished the ones that I have, but if you're like me, you can never have too many. So I'm shy, so I'm not gonna film the person I'm buying the car from. I'm not gonna ask him if I can film him. So you guys are just gonna have to wait until the car's on the trailer and I'm heading home. I'll give you guys a hint. It is a Japanese car and it is from the 70s. So totally different this time. If you don't like 70s cars, don't unsubscribe from me just yet, because we're gonna be putting an engine in this thing that I think most of you guys will enjoy. So the car is all loaded up and got it on the trailer, and let me tell you, I cannot wait for the day when I have my own trailer with a winch on it. I used to come along to pull it up, and it's an old car, so the wheel bearings are seized and it was just a pain in the butt. So we got it up though. The guy helped me, he was a great guy. I don't think I could have did it without him. Now the tricky part will be getting it off the trailer, but I have a 4.5 hour drive home, so I'm gonna just keep driving. I can't wait to get this thing in the garage so I can show you guys the car. What is up, YouTube? I am back for the second half of this video. I apologize, I had the flu this weekend, so I don't sound too great, but I was in bed for about 36 hours and now I'm feeling a lot better. I do have to return the trailer that I picked the car up on, so that's what I'm doing today. And it is finally time to show you guys the car. I put a little bit of a teaser out as a post with the car on the trailer. A couple of guys in the comments got it, very close. But the car that I picked up is a 1974 260Z. So the few guesses I had in the comments of that post were 280Z or 240Z. The 260Z is actually, from what I've read, the minimal research I've done on these things, it's actually like the most rare. So they only made it for 1 year in the US, and that was 1974. I guess in Japan they made it from 74 to 78. So to be able to find one of these here in the US, I wouldn't say it's impossible, but I definitely think I kind of landed a gem. It's not in perfect condition. The guy I bought it from, I think whenever he got it, it probably was in pretty good condition, but it's been sitting outside for the last 8 years uncovered. So there is a lot of surface rust in areas that probably could have been prevented by just keeping it inside. Everything is there, the bones are there, it's mostly solid metal, and I think it's really gonna give me a great starting point for my next project. So I'm super excited for this. I do not plan on doing a full-blown restoration, so I'm gonna basically clean up as much rust as I can, patch up what I need to, seal everything up, do some rust converter, undercoat with probably like a truck bed liner. It's not going to be all original. It's not going to have the original engine in it, so stay tuned for that. And I think it's going to be really fun. So I love the look of these cars. I love that they're so small because you can pretty much put any engine in it, and as long as you make over 200 horsepower, it's going to be a fun car. These things are actually about as light as the MR2, I think, and with a few things removed, it's actually pretty much as light as the MR2, which is crazy. So the car did come with a bunch of extra parts. So there's I got some spare fenders in the car. I got 2 hoods for it. It came with a nice aftermarket polyurethane bumper, which I think will be cool. It came with ZG fender flares. It came with a fuel cell to put in the back. The car doesn't have the original gas tank. It came with a full bushing kit for the suspension. And that's all stuff I was gonna need for the car, which made this deal such a good deal for me, because it came with all that extra stuff that will be very helpful for me. So yeah, like I said, I'm super excited. I hope you guys enjoy it and are excited for it. I'm not gonna make this video very long, so I actually am gonna end it here and keep the video short, and I will see you guys in the next one.